Another beautiful day in paradise, my friends. Another beautiful day. I love the feel of the sun, the hot sun sizzling on my body. Yep, it's a great feeling. What to do today? I think we're gonna go for a walk on the beach. I like that waterfall. I like the fountain. Don't leave us! Come back! There's a scuba diving trip you can go on right there. A lot of scuba diving going on here. Ah, look at this thing. I'm looking for my log for my artistic lamp. Whoa, this one's stuck in the ground. I can't even get it out.
So for barnacles, you can get infections.
Nope, that one ain't gonna work. We're gonna have to go in the Mayan jungle for the hunt.
Oh, for your light?
For the branch or log for my artistic lamp that we will put in the corner. Because we went in the store and something like that was 500 bucks. I'm like, I could make that.
We're not standing in our driveway, we're standing in our front yard.
This is our front yard.
Our neighborhood.
This is the view we have every day. Let's catch the action. Action-packed water sporting. They're chasing each other.
used to it by then. This is kind of deep right here. This feels so good. I might dip down. Ooh,
Let's look over here. We got some remnants. Oh, that's a big log right there. That might be cool. Even that one might be cool. Which one is it? Right there might be cool too. But it's part of the resort or over here, so I don't want to be hauling it all the way to the house. It's a long way. But something can be power wash it, stain it, it'd be great. Alright, I'm going to the exchange over here. I gotta exchange a couple of dollars. I found a couple of nightstands that I want to pick up. They're made of salam, this wood that's really cool looking. So I'm waiting for the guy's call to go pick them up. We're gonna go get lunch, but I'm gonna get some money from the exchange. It's Sunday, they might close early on me. There's a line at that one. I'm gonna go to this one across the street. The dollar just fell. It was $17.10 yesterday, but it lost value a little bit. Now that I got my money, we're gonna go get something to eat. We're gonna go to Mamita's Beach Club. Okay, walking to Mamita's Beach Club. We haven't been here since November. This place has some cool pools over there because we looked at buying a condo here a while back before we bought the house. And I don't know, condo like that wasn't for us. I don't remember what the association fee was. But then I think if you had to rent it out, if you wanted to Airbnb it, it had to go through their management. There was a couple places like that that we looked at, and the rental had to go through their management. I'm not sure if it was that one. Zona. We're going to be opening up Zona here. Zona.mx. Check it out. New condominium complex will be built right here. Hopefully they're still open for lunch. It is 2 p.m. Sunday. I see people out on the deck. We'll find out. Zona. At Mamita's Beach Club. Let's see the restaurant. Beach Club is that way. The restaurant, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. That's good to know. Wow, they sure gained a lot of beach. They probably gained another, I'd say 50 to 80 feet of sand on this section over here. It's Sunday. It's jamming. A lot of people are out. All right. Let's sit back and chill. And the beauty of it all is, when you sit back and you see Cozumel in the distance. What a great view. I think I'm gonna do this fish fillet right here. Okay, this is what we got for lunch. Teresa?
The caprese salad, which is mozzarella, basil, tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, good stuff. We have guacamole. She has a personal margarita pizza over there. We've got the nachos for the guacamole, and you have your fish fillet grilled with vegetables and rice. And I don't know what this is. Let's see if it's too hot. Maybe you should try it. I don't know. Oh wow!
Oh wow!
I'm gonna give you my for John. I'm giving you my fork because I don't want my fork even. You had it. We came twice.
Yeah. That fish was great. I love it.
First time you had it,
For 15
like,
bucks.
This is so good. I'm getting it again.
It was an awesome fish.
Second
And this
time
view.
you had it, you
And
had
a
your
cappuccino.
teeth done. You said, "Oh my God, this is too crunchy."
I'm loving it. Okay, let's go over this bill here. I always go over the bill just to make sure. You got the 2 waters, the cafe espresso, the guacamole, the salsa.
The salsa?
What's this? Lemon? 0. It's nothing. The pizza margarita, the caprese, filet de pescado, 1 palancho, which was free. So they came out 12. That so and so. I got charged in pesos, which I want to be charged in pesos. I don't know what the translation is. I tipped them $2.50.
Show the baby.
Let me do some calculation. Okay, and with the tip, it came out to 85 bucks. But this is what you get for 85 bucks. A great lunch. How was your caprese, Teresa?
It was amazing.
Very nice. My fish was fantastic. I'm very happy with it. Home Depot. Let's go. I gotta start working on that water filtration system. I have all the parts. I just gotta get some stuff for some ants around the house. There's the little ant area. I gotta get rid of the ants. I decided on not buying the insect killer because when it rains, it's going to go down into our well water. So I'm going to go a different route. It's going to go into the well water. So I'm not going to get that. I'm going to buy some Demataceous earth. I found it one time here and I spread it around the house. The powder, it's just basically ground up seashells like a powder. Then when the insects walk through it, it scrapes and makes holes in their exoskeleton and they dry out. I found it here, but I'm gonna have to order it on Amazon. If I can get a freaking 50-pound bag, I'd love it.
This is really pretty.
Yeah, you like it?
I think it's really pretty.
Ah, it's a real deal. It's not plastico. We need some blinds for our kitchen because when we repainted the place into the granite counters, we took everything down. Okay, here we are going to Officemax. I need a couple of supplies for my portable office. Home Depot, Officemax, now Chederaui. Gotta get some food to put in our tummies later tonight. There it is, the grocery store. Let's go in here and look at some motorcycles. Ah, you know what? I think they're a lot more expensive than last time. I don't get it. I could have swore for $1,000. Oh, here they are for $1,000. Like this one's $1,200. $1,200. Now we're going in the mopeds. These are $1,200. Hey, that yellow one's kind of cool, huh? Then, never heard of these brands. Vento. Here's 5th Avenue. We have to cross it. careful.
To be very
Be careful.
Patience,
For
my
pedestrians.
Yesterday with the Quaddies,
Yeah.
and it was a very vicious fight. Did you hear it last night?
No, I didn't.
So I think they've gone. They've probably gone. The Racoons will not stick around. They weren't fighting up the tree. They were on the ground.
Right, right.
If you get too close to those Racoons, they'll attack you.
Right.
Did you see all their beds up in the trees?
Huh?
Did you see all their beds up in the trees or no?
Nope.
I didn't see them during the day.
I'll have to get on the roof tomorrow.
You didn't go up there today?
Nope.
Yeah, they're gone.
The raccoons and the coyotes were fighting out here,
Raccoons
so.
come here every night. That's why they've been fighting, because this family's been living
Are they
here.
crawling here? Walking here?
They come right through here. They come right up here. They walk between our house.
Ooh!